Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine, and I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear friends, today actually I am very happy because I uploaded one video one day ago, one video upload my Facebook page, and this video just one day left this video 1.7k views. This is my big achievement for learning English. And my when I start learning English, at the time I upload my video daily, one video, and 2 days later one video, or 3 days later one video upload, and regularly upload my learning English video, my Facebook page or YouTube channel. And not views, and just one video 100 or 200, maximum video 100 or 200 views. And one day ago one video 3 minutes video upload, and today I can see this video already 1.7k views. This is the 1700 views. So this is my big achievement. So very appreciate and very happy. So this video already views actually going on, so that's why I am very happy today. So dear friends, when I beginning time, so many problems for anything, any situation, like English learning, and like so many things when I starting time, so very shy feel and very hard work, and not for irregular, but you regularly active and regularly upload and continuously. So at that time you are a very achievement. And dear friends, English also regularly practice and regularly upload in your page or Facebook, and this is our journey start. So I think one person like learning English, after 3 months or 6 months later, you will be able for learning English fluently. Okay, and when you are learning English fluent speaker, at that time so many opportunity us. Okay, so like a social media platform is a very helpful for earning money for everyone. And like me, I have a one YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel only 15k subscriber and earning money every month something. So this is the way for social media earning. I think social media earning is a big opportunity for every person. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep staying. You will be able to anything. So thank you.